Nagre-rent ka pa rin ba at gustong magkabahay na malapit sa Metro Manila at accessible? Imagine, pwede mo nang i-reserve itong 2-story quadruplex unit for as low as 25,000 pesos na bayad mga financing. Ito na ang sign mo kaya panoorin mo itong video hanggang dulo. Hi, Mary here again. Tara at samahan niyo ako at itutur ko kayo kay Hannah Model. Highly recommended talaga si Minami Residences here in General Trias, Cavite. At ang ganda ng location dahil bukod sa along highway ang subdivision, 27 kilometers away din ito going to Naiya at 4.5 kilometers away ka lang din from Cavite Laguna Expressway, Open Canal Interchange at sa mga major establishments tulad ng upcoming SM General Trias and other malls. Meron din places of worships, schools and even wet market. At dahil fully expandable ang unit at semi-complete finish na rin upon turnover, kaya minor expenses na lang sa renovations. Malaki na rin ang lote nito na may 80 square meter at may standard floor area na 54 square meters. Available din ito sa corner at end lot unit. Kaya naman meron ka ng 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, service area at provision for 2 car garage. Super good package talaga dahil complete amenities na rin and exclusive ang subdivision. Pre-selling pa ang mga unit natin kaya naman naka-flexible pa ang payment terms and you can reserve this for as low as 25,000 pesos. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Mag-message na at mag-3P. See you!